I want you to listen to this story till the end. There was a young man who was so frustrated in life because no matter how hard he worked or tried, nothing was working out for him. One evening, he went to the park to get some fresh air, and that's when he saw a young boy happily playing. And it reminded him of his childhood. After some time, he saw the boy running around and chasing something on the other side of the park, and he got very curious. That's when he noticed the young boy running behind a butterfly and trying really hard to catch it. And no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't catch it. After multiple failed attempts, the boy got super frustrated and stopped chasing the butterfly and went back to play with his friends. It was starting to get darker, and right when the man was about to leave, he saw something magical happen. The butterfly that was on the other side of the park came flying all the way and sat on the boy's shoulder. And that's exactly what's happening in our lives. Every time you're obsessed or desperate about something to manifest in your life, it keeps moving away from you. And the minute you shift your focus from the outcome to working on yourself and having fun, whatever you want to manifest will naturally come to you. The next time you feel desperate, just remember this. The only way you can manifest anything is when your intentions are pure, when you put in your 100% effort, and when you let go of your attachment to the outcome.